All right, vertex form of a quadratic function. There are three important pieces to a vertex form. The first piece, the A, right here, tells us a couple things. It tells us if we have a reflection about the x-axis and if it's going to stretch or compress vertically. The second piece, the H, tells us if we move left or right. If we have a positive, it's going to move left. If we have a negative, it's going to move it right. The last piece, the plus K, that's going to move it up or down. So if we have a plus, it's going to move it up. If we have a negative, it's going to move it down. And then our A, if we have a negative A, it's going to reflect about x-axis. And then we had our A numbers. If our number is greater than 1, it's going to look taller. If our number is a fraction, it's going to get wider. Example 7, use the description to write the quadratic function in vertex form. So what we're giving you first is the parent. And then we have some transformations. So the first transformation is it's reflected about the x-axis. So that is going to be a negative in front of the function. Then we have 5 units to the left. So when you move left or right, it's always inside the function. And I always say think opposite. So it's going to be moving left. So it's going to be a plus 5. Then we have movement up 1 unit. Anything that's up or down is outside the function. So that'd be plus 1. So that's what the g of x function looks like. Example B. Again, we have our parent, and now we are vertically compressing it by a factor of 1/3. So anything that changes the shape is outside the function in front. So that's 1/3 x squared. Then we have 2 units to the right, so that's inside the function, we think opposite. So that's going to be a minus 2. And then we have 4 units down. So that's outside the function, anything happens up or down. So that's minus 4. Last one. There's our parent, and now we want to do our child. Vertically stretched by a factor of 4/3. This is a number greater than 1, so it's going to make it taller. So again, that's outside the function. Then it is translated 2 units to the left. That's inside the function. So we think opposite. So plus 2. And then 5 units down. Up or down is outside the function. So down 5.